Today we'll be checking out our new plugin, that's the Magento 2 Endicia Shipping plugin. Now with the help of this Endicia Shipping module, the admin can integrate the Magento 2 store with the Endicia platform for creating the USPS shipments. The Magento 2 Endicia Shipping extension will allow the admin to directly create shipments for orders from the Magento backend, and moreover, the admin can check the Endicia account details, buy additional postage, and print USPS shipment labels in PDF format. Kindly note that the origin address must be from the United States, and the admin needs to have an active account on Endicia and USPS as well. So the admin would be able to enable or disable the USPS Endicia shipping method and can set the USPS Endicia shipping method name that would be shown on the storefront to the customers, and the admin will have the ability to download the invoice and the shipping steps easily. The admin can also set the package request type, and the admin can download the USPS Endicia shipment label in the PDF format. Kindly note that the plugin supports the international shipping rates and the shipping label. Before we proceed further with the workflow of this particular plugin, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. Now right now you can see that I've added one product, that's the Just Duffel bag, into my cart, and I'm about to make a checkout. And here I'm on the shipping methods section, and here you can see the different methods there under the USPS Endicia shipping plugin. The USPS Endicia is the shipping method, shipping method title, and these are the method names that can be chosen by the customers. So let's choose one of them. I'll be choosing the media mail for now, and I'll be tapping here on the next button thereafter. Now on the review and payment section here under the order summary, I can see the shipping title, that's the USPS Endicia, and the method name as media mail, and the amount is for $4 and 0.89 cents. Now here I need to choose my payment method, and then I'll have to tap on the place order to place the order. After the successful placing of the order by the customer can see the shipping title and the method name selected there. So here's the shipping method, and here's the shipping title, that's the USPS Endicia, and here's the method name, that's the media mail. Now that was the customer's end. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see what different configurations are there, and what options does the admin get after the installation of this particular plugin there. So for that, let's hop on to the admin backend panel. So here to log in, I'll enter my username, password, and I'll be tapping on the sign in button thereafter. For more details on how to get the Endicia account credentials, you can check the user guide that I've attached within the description of this particular video. Within that, you'll be able to see like how you can get the Endicia account credentials there. And also Webkul is a partner with the Endicia there, so we have a link there, and to get more benefits you can log into the link for the Endicia via Webkul there, and definitely you'll be getting some more benefits out of there. So after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the admin will find one option on the side panel, that's the USPS Endicia management, and under that he has the option here to manage the Endicia account. So if I tap on that, that would bring up the manage Endicia account section, as you can see. So here basically the admin can check the account ID, the account type, the account ID, the account type, the account balance left, and the option to buy the postages as well. And the admin can purchase the postage or the stamps by entering the preferred amount in US dollars here, and tapping here on the buy postage button thereafter. And please make sure that you have entered the correct credit card details on your Endicia account there. So this is the section, and you can also refresh your Endicia account details by tapping here on the refresh details button. Right now I'm using a trial account and my account balance has expired, so that's why it's showing $0. I would have shown you the how to buy the postage as well, but due to the low balance here, I won't be able to show you the same. Now this was about the USPS Endicia management section, Now let's see the initial configurations for this particular plugin. But before that, let's go to the sales and orders and check the order that we had placed at the storefront. That was order number 133. So here as well, the admin would be able to see the shipping title and the method name chosen by the customer. So let the orders come up. Here's the order number 133. Let's view the order. So here's the order detail, and if I go to the shipping and handling information, here's the shipping title, and here's the method name chosen by the customer, and here is the amount for the media mail. That's for $4.89 there. Now the admin can basically generate the shipping label as well, and to do so, what the admin needs to do, he needs to tap here on the ship button. On the new shipment page, the admin needs to tap here on the create shipment, then tap on the submit shipment. Here he'll have to add the products to the package. So here's our product, we'll add it to the package, and to add it, I'll just tap here on the add selected to the package. I'll set the length, width, height for the package, and then we'll be tapping here on the save button. So right now I don't have the account balance or the enough money in the account to produce the Indicium. So after you've done with here this particular section here, you'll have to tap on the save button. After you've saved it, you'll generate your shipment. After generating the shipment, you can download your particular shipping label, and that would be like, I'll just give you an example for that. So this is the shipping label that you will be able to generate, USPS library mail, as you can see, and accordingly you will be able to generate the invoice slip and the shipping slip as well, along with the title and the tracking number there, along with the charges, as you can see here within the same. Now let's check the initial configurations for this particular plugin. So for that, we'll have to navigate through stores and then configuration. On the configuration page, we'll navigate to sales. There we'll have to go to the delivery methods. So we'll tap on that. And under the delivery methods, we'll have the USPS Endicia, United States Postal Services Endicia method, as you can see. And here we have some configuration settings. So we'll just have a brief overview of them. You can check the user guide that I've attached within the description of this particular video for more and a complete overview for each of these what we say as the fields that we have here. So here you can see that we can enable this particular USPS Endicia for the checkout by choosing a yes option. Otherwise, to disable it, choose a no for that. You can set the title. This is by default, it's USPS Endicia. You can uncheck this and you can set your own shipping title that you want to make visible to the customers. We were able to see the USPS Endicia already in the at the storefront when we placed the order. Under the shipping methods, we were able to see the shipping title. Then we have the account number and the passphrase. So you can check the user guide on how to get your account number there. And while you're creating your account, you do set a passphrase, so you'll have to enter that up. You can also generate a new phrase as well by tapping here on the generate new passphrase button. Then we have a machine enable option here. So it's a system default option and it's set to yes. You can uncheck that and you can make it as a no as well, as per your own requirement there. Then we have the Endicia mail piece shape, so you can choose the mail piece shape that you want to select. We have already selected it as a parcel one. Then we have the show estimated delivery days. If you wanted to show the estimated delivery days to your customers there on the checkout page, on the shipping selection page there. So you can choose a yes or a no for that. So the estimated delivery days will be displayed for the USA, and the available methods would be displayed along with them if you choose a yes for that. You can also enable the Endicia insurance. Right now it's set to no. If you set it as yes, then you need to choose the insurance type as Endicia, USPS online, or a third-party one. And according to the insurance type, then you'll have to select the mail piece shape allowed for insurance. You can choose that up. For example, if we have chosen it as parcel here, we can choose parcel here for the mail piece shape allowed for insurance. Then you can choose the Endicia mail classes that would be visible to the customers at the checkout time. You can also set the maximum package weight, and you'll have to consult your shipping carrier for the maximum supported shipping weight. You can set that up here within this particular section. Also, if you want that the return address should be there on the label, on the shipping label there, you'll have to choose this as a yes, otherwise choose this as a no, and this would print the sender's address on the label itself. You can also use the stealth postage, and what that does is that if you've chosen this option as a yes, then it would hide the postage amount on the label. And for this you'll have to have the what we say as the premium or a higher account for the Endicia itself. You can also choose to enable the calculate handling fee. You can set it as fixed or percentage as per your requirement there. If you want, you can set the handling applied for the per order or per package. By default it is set to per order, and by default the calculate handling fee is set to fixed. Then you can set the handling fee as per your own requirement there. You can choose to show the free methods as well if you want. So if you want, you can choose the free methods that should be available to the customers under the shipping methods there at the checkout page. You can also enable the free shipping threshold. If you enable that up, you can set the free shipping amount threshold when the free shipping should be enabled. You can also enter the error message that should be that should be displayed if the particular shipping method is not available. At that time this error message would be displayed, but for that you'll have to choose the show method if not applicable to yes. Only then this particular message would be displayed to the customers. Then you can choose to ship to applicable countries. All allowed countries is by default there, and if you want, you can uncheck this and you can choose specific countries, and you can choose specific countries. You can multi-select them as well. Otherwise you can choose all allowed countries as well. And lastly, you can set the sort order for this particular shipping method. That's the USPS Endicia shipping method at the checkout time for the customers there. And lastly, we'll just have tap here on the save configuration button to save the configuration settings there. Also, kindly note that the admin can cancel any of the shipping labels that he has created. He can cancel that out. For more details, kindly check the user guide attached within the description of this particular video there. And yes, that was much about the Endicia shipping for Magento 2, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the brief overview of this particular plugin. Due to the less amount there in my test account, I was not able to completely show you the workflow there, but if you do have an account, you can completely check the workflow, the complete workflow there of this particular plugin. So yes, that was much, and if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And apart from that, if you have any queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com. You can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video.